So how do you add a Safari favorites on the iPhone? And let me show you how it all works. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, when you go to the Safari and start browsing any kind of like web page, what you're going to do is to click on the button next to the URL. So as you can see, there is a button which has like the rectangle and a lines icon. So it's not the three dots on the right, but you click the rectangle icon and you can see some options. Tap on the three dots in here and you have the ability to add the website to your favorites. So there's the star icon and you kind of like bookmark it in a sense, but not really to the general bookmarks, but you decided that it's part of this like favorite folder. So that's how it works. You can always access it when you are on the main Safari page. Tap the three dots and go to bookmarks, and you can go to this list and you have like the favorites folder. You have some bookmarks which are general bookmarks, and you have also the ability to create custom folders for organizing your saved websites. So there are actually plenty of ways to save it, but yeah, the favorites are indicated with the star icon, and it is this folder right here. So yeah, that's kind of how you can do this. You should also know that there is the ability to add a widget to the home screen of your iPhone from the Safari, right? So Safari has the widget available, but keep in mind that this only shows you the reading list, which is yet another place for you to save web pages. So again, if you're browsing a web page, you can tap the rectangle icon, more options, and add it to the reading list. So this will put it to another place and that can be displayed through the widget. So these are, I believe, all of the ways how you can save and add websites and have the favorites. Let me know what you think about it below. Stay tuned for more updates about this topic in the future by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.